Let's take a look at the Storklinta 6-drawer dresser, priced at $250. This modern dresser is perfect for bedrooms and hallways, offering 6 spacious, smooth-running drawers and a clean, horizontal design. Its integrated handles and sturdy safety feature make it both stylish and practical. Anchor it to the wall to reduce tipping risks and enjoy a safer home environment. Need extra organization? Pair it with interior accessories from the Scub series. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Let's explore the Kallax shelf unit in black-brown, priced at $80. This versatile shelf's clean and simple design makes it a perfect fit for any home. Stand it upright as a shelving unit or lay it on its side to use as a stylish sideboard. Showcase your favorite items on the open shelves or customize it with inserts for a mix of open and closed storage. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Let's take a look at the Alex drawer unit in gray turquoise, priced at $110. Its clean and modern design blends effortlessly with various styles, whether it's supporting a desk or standing on its own. With a fully finished back, it looks great from every angle, even in the middle of a room. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Let's talk about the Brimnes wardrobe with 3 doors in white, priced at $200. Perfect for small spaces, this wardrobe is designed for smart storage. It features a clothes rail for shirts and dresses, shelves for folded clothes, shoes, and bags, plus a mirrored door. No need for an extra mirror. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Next up is the Mosslanda picture ledge, available for just $8 per piece. This ledge is perfect for showcasing your favorite items, paintings, photos, or cherished keepsakes. Use multiple shelves to transform an entire wall into a gallery of art and memories. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Next, we have the Hemnes 8-drawer dresser, priced at $400. This solid wood dresser is not only stylish but also safe, featuring a drawer interlock system that allows only 1 drawer per column to open at a time, reducing tip-over risks. It offers spacious storage and a durable surface for displaying lamps or decor. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Let's take a look at the LATT children's table and 2 chairs, priced at $50. This set is a perfect addition to your child's playroom or craft space. The solid pine frames ensure durability, while the white foiled surface is easy to clean after creative activities. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Let's take a look at the Veskin cart, priced at $10. This compact and versatile cart is perfect for tight spaces like small bathrooms. Its tool-free assembly makes setup quick and easy, while the high edges on the shelves ensure items stay securely in place. The sturdy construction and 4 casters let you move it wherever you need it, even in the shower, thanks to its water-draining shelves. Let's move on to the next bestseller. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more IKEA bestsellers and home inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your next dose of smart design ideas. See you in the next video.